Some children with adaptive needs are safer traveling in a safety vest with anti-escape features compared to a more traditional safety vest. For these types of anti-escape safety vests and seat mounts, you'll note that the safety vests always zip in the back and are used with a special seat mount that puts all of the attachment points at the rear of the school bus seat so they are out of reach of the properly secured occupant. The seat mount's shoulder webbing slides through rings on the shoulders of the safety vest instead of just attaching with hooks directly to the shoulders on the safety vest. The shoulder webbing on these safety vests doubles through the rings and attaches to the seat mount at the back of the school bus seat. For the installation of the seat mount for anti-escape type safety vests, lay the seat mount on top of the school bus seat, lower the bottom of the cam wrap straps through the open seat bite, make sure the seat mount hip connectors remain on top of the seat cushion, and adjust them for the appropriate length before closing and locking the seat cushion. Secure the cam wrap in the back of the school bus seat and adjust it per the manufacturer instructions. Remember to double back the loose ends of the webbing through the O-ring. Be sure to remove any slack from the cam wrap webbing. The school bus seat should have a slight crease where the webbing is pulled tight. Make sure the child is properly fitted into their safety vest before securing them to the school bus seat. They should sit with their hips low against the back of the seat and shoulders flush to the seat back. Attach the hip-level seat mount hooks to the hip points of the child's safety vest. Tighten the hip strap by pulling on the webbing through the adjuster. Make sure the hip mount hooks sink into the seat bite while tightening, so they are not accessible to the child. Loop the shoulder straps of the seat mount through the shoulder rings on the safety vest. Attach the shoulder straps to the cam wrap at the back of the school bus seat and tighten. Once secured, check the child cannot move forward more than 2 inches at the hips or too far forward or side to side at the shoulders. Be sure the safety vest sits low over the child's hip bones. Manufacturers may also offer zipper protectors as another form of anti-escape protection. These typically work by adding a spring hook or lobster claw attachment to the zipper at the back of the vest and are only designed for use with specific vest models.